How to cook pork fat. Is it cooked with water or oil? How do you cook pork fat without any smell? If you still don't know how to cook pork fat well, today's video is one you need to like and save, just in case you can't find me when you need it. Our method of cooking pork fat can last for a year without going bad. Cook pork fat, we first choose this type of pork lard, which has a higher oil content than regular lard. First, cut the pork lard into small, evenly sized pieces. If the pieces are different sizes, the smaller ones will burn before the larger ones release their oil. After cutting, place the pork lard into a large bowl until it's full. Pour the pork lard directly into a large iron pot. Add some water and a spoonful of cooking wine. Turn on the heat and cook, stirring constantly with a slotted spoon to ensure even heating. Remove the pork lard and place it into hot water to wash it. This step should not be done with cold water. After washing, take it out and place it in another large basin for later use. Pour a large bowl of water into the pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Then, pour in the lard. Many people might ask, can we cook the lard directly without adding water? I recommend adding some water because cooking it directly can easily cause it to burn, and the color won't be as good. Boil the lard over high heat for a few minutes until it turns a milky white color. This indicates that there's still more water than oil. Continue boiling for about 5 to 6 minutes until the oil starts to separate and the soup becomes clear with no water remaining. At this point, add green onion, ginger, and star anise to remove any remaining fishy smell. After boiling for a few minutes, add a spoonful of high-proof liquor. This helps eliminate any burnt smell and makes the lard whiter and more delicate as it cools. Now prepare a lard container. Add a spoonful of soybeans, a few Sichuan peppercorns, and a spoonful of salt. Filter the oil from the pot into the lard container, close the lid, and let it cool overnight. Don't discard the leftover oil in the pot. You can use it to make buns or steam chili soybeans. It's incredibly fragrant. Once cooled, the lard becomes white and delicate with a long shelf life. Use it to stir-fry vegetables, cook noodles, or steam vegetables. It's delicious in any dish. If you've learned how to make it, give it a try at home.